In today's class, we are going to discuss few problems related to different chapter in C. And again, what will be the output questions? First question, the question number 19, because previously 18 questions we have discussed. In today's session, we are going to discuss 5 to 7 questions. In this question, we are writing printf Sriram and main function is written. As a semicolon is there, it will be recursion. Calling module, called module is in the same function block. Sriram will display, main function will read, again it is go to the main function, means Sriram will display infinite times on the screen, because calling function, called function is defined in a same function block. If I want to run this program, then what I have to do, you copy this program, moves to your online editor and start running it. You will be getting the same result, means Sriram will display infinite times on the screen. If instead of Sriram any value will be given, suppose I write Shreyansh, then what will access? Shreyansh's name will be display infinite on the screen. The second question. Local static is the user defined function. If local static function is called, the called block is search. Static INTI means age default value is 0, means first time it will display 0. A is incremented by 1, means A becomes 1. Again it becomes return to the main program. Again local static function will call. A will not initialize, the last value will return, that is 1. 1 will display. Now A is incremented by 1, that is 2. Because the static's nature is the value will persist till program terminates. If I want to run this program, go to your coding part, copy this code and moves to your online editor and start running the program. Now you will be getting the result 0 and 1 respectively. Comes to the next program. Suppose I have written I10, J3, K3. Two values are displayed in %d, but three variable is given ijk. So k will be ignored, as for three values, three format string is there, two format string is given. First two value will display, I value is 10, J value is 3, K value is let ignored. If I want to run this program, then copy this set of code, moves to your respective online editor and start running this code. You will be getting the first two value as 10 and 3. Moves to the next question. Suppose I have taken a pointer variable ptr, a equal to 10. Address of a is stored in the pointer variable. If any changes in the pointer will made, it indirectly makes the changes in a. Means ptr plus 1, means in ptr whose address is stored? A's address, means its value is what? 10. ptr plus 1 means it becomes 11, means a value is automatically 11. If I access pointer ptr and a, in both cases the value will be 11 and 11. If I want to run this code, then moves to the corresponding online compiler and start running the program. And if I run the program, I will be definitely getting the same result, that is 11 and 11. Moves to the next question. Suppose I have written a equal to 10, b equal to 20. I display first a 10, b 20. Then this logic is used for interchanging the value of two variables. A equal to a plus b means a becomes 30. B equal to a minus b. Current value of a is 30, b is 20. 30 minus 20, b becomes 10. Now a equal to a minus b means 30, age values, b value is 10. 30 minus 10 is 20. Means the value is interchanged. Hence the age value is 20 and b value is 10. This is the swapping logic of two numbers. If I want to run this program, then copy this set of code, moves to your corresponding online compiler and start running the program. I definitely getting the same result, means the interchange logic is be given. Next question. This is a pyramid structure question. Suppose I want to display the logic of this program. The right angle triangle 1, 1, 2 and like this. A equal to 1, A is less than 6 means up to 5th row will display 1 to 5. How many times the row will continue, that much time the column will continue, and hence B is 1. Now what is the condition? 1 is less than 6, yes. 1 is less than equal to 1, yes. First 1 is displayed. B incremented by 1, B becomes 2. 2 is less than 1, no. It will comes to the next line due to printf's class end. Next A value increment 2. 2 is less than 6, yes. Now B will continue 2 times. 1 is less than equal to 2, yes. B will display 1. B incremented by 1, 2. 2 is less than equal to 2, yes. 2 will display. Then B incremented by 3. 3 is less than 2, no. It will comes to the out of the loop, next line will display. Then 3 times B will continue. Like this pyramid structure will appear. If I want to run this program, then copy this sheet of code, moves to your respective online compiler and start running the program. Then you definitely getting the same result as a pyramid structure. Suppose the header file should be given, because I have not given the header file here. Has include stdio.h. Run the program, you must be getting the result accordingly. Then moves to the next program. Suppose the C as character variable is A, 2 upper A means it becomes capital. Again in C, capital letter is taken, 2 upper C means the capital will be converted. C value is 9. If 2 upper C, 9 remains in the 9. Because in digit no changes will be taken place. If I want to run this program, copy this set of code, moves to your respective online compiler and start running the program, you will be definitely getting the same output as usual. Then the result will be like this. In today's session, we will completed 5 to 7 problem. I think this is understandable to you and this is most helpful to you in your different competitive examinations and semesters. If you like this video, kindly like it. If you have not subscribed, kindly subscribe it. Having any comment, please make the comment. We are coming with a few next interview related questions in the next sessions. Thank you. See you in the next class.